In the let me guide you that in the first sentence, yeah, actually it's the first sentence, you started with I had already read your letter. Which tense did you use here?
Oh, past tense.
Yes, it's past, but this is past perfect.
Past perfect.
When do we use past perfect?
When we already done something
Mm-hmm.
in the past.
In the past, but we can use past simple. Do you know, for example, the difference between past simple and past perfect?
Like if this sentence in past simple is I read your letter.
So what is the difference between I had already read your letter and I already read your letter?
There is a half.
Hmm? Yeah, there is that, but what is the
Um,
difference in meaning? When do we use past perfect and when do we use past simple? Do you know?
no.
No? Mm-hmm. Let me see if there's some nice explanation in a picture. So, past simple, we use it for, what is this? Present perfect, past continuous, past perfect. Do we have just these two? Well, let's first talk about it naturally. So, past perfect, let's start with past simple. Past simple is past simple. So we use it for something that happened sometime in the past, okay?
Okay.
So I read a book yesterday, okay?
Okay.
And past perfect is used for an action that was completed before another action in the past. So using past perfect, we go in the past and then more in the past. So before something in the past. So here, there's basically no need to use past
Perfect.
perfect because we don't compare it to something. Okay?
Okay.
Let me see if we can have a little explanation here. So let's just focus on this one. Past completed actions. We went to the zoo last week. Okay?
Okay.
And what we focus also is past perfect. So events happened earlier in the past than something. Okay?
Okay.
So when I met her, which tense is this?
Past tense.
Which, past perfect or past simple?
Past simple.
Past simple, very good. So we have something in the past simple that is there. So when I met her, and then I had never been in a serious relationship. Okay?
Past perfect.
Past perfect. So before that, so met her is here, never been in a serious relationship earlier or before that. Or maybe it's even clearer here. Can you read this one?
He noticed that I had cleaned the car. It was
Mm-hmm.
clean and shiny.
Mm-hmm. So he noticed is which tense?
Uh, Past simple.
Past simple. So he noticed yesterday before past completed action. He noticed that I had cleaned the car. So we want to emphasize, to point out that that person cleaned the car, but before he noticed. Okay?
Okay.
So the point with past perfect is that we will use it or to compare two actions that happened in the past, but in past perfect, action happened before something in the past. Can you give me an example with past simple and past perfect in a sentence?
When my mom called me, I had already done my homework.
When my mom called me, one more time,
Had already done my homework.
had
Finished my
already.
homework.
Mm-hmm.
Finished my homework.
Mm-hmm. Let's write it down. When my mom.
Called me,
Mm-hmm.
I had already finished my homework.
Finished my homework. Very, very nice. Or as you said, done, right? I had already done my homework. Excellent. Okie dokie. So the point here is that we can just use past simple or something we call present perfect. So if we want to use present perfect, how are you going to change it?
I already read your letter.
I already read your letter would be present past simple. But do you know present perfect?
Present perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yes.
I have already read your letter.
Very, very nice. So we can put have. So the point is that we can use present perfect. I have already read your letter. Or just I already read your letter. So have, we can use it or don't have to use it. Got it?
Got it?
Mm-hmm. I have already read or just I read. So past perfect is not needed here.